How's it going, guys? So, another day, another market update. So, yeah, like I said in the previous video, the last video was kind of low volume. I put the volume up in this one. Hopefully, it will be better. I am expecting a bounce from here because there is this trend line that comes all the way from down here, this red trend line right here. So I am expecting a bounce, and it is bouncing. Also, we got this MA, the red MA, which is normally the bull market MA. We normally don't go under it during a bull market. Sometimes we did in early bull market or during the COVID, but it's outliers, and normally it passes. It comes above it really fast when it is indeed a bull market. So yeah, we are bouncing. We also got some good news on the 4 hours. We are above the red MA, the 50 MA, and hopefully we'll pass this green one, and we will come to 100k somewhere later this month. So everything is according to plan. Long term, I am expecting between July and November, July and November, 150k. Maybe this will be the top. I'm not sure. This cycle is really weird because normally in the previous cycles we had like this huge exponential phase, but we are not getting that huge exponential phase this time. We are just going along the channel, and we should, if we wanted exponential phase, we should break above this channel, touch it, and then we go exponential. But I'm not sure it will happen. We also got some the altcoins are not doing well because Ethereum is not doing well. Normally Ethereum is the one that makes all the altcoins bullish. Ever since the Bybit hack, we have basically the North Korean hackers dumped a bunch of ETH, so that caused the price to go down, and that's basically why it's so hard right now for altcoins and for Ethereum. Hopefully long term we can reclaim this. We're actually right there. I'm going to put the recent. This zone right here is a resistance right now, and we are touching it, and hopefully we'll break above it. If not, this turns into a resistance and we go down, and maybe we'll go under this trend line right here. Hopefully it won't happen, but it can happen, so be prepared. I think that if Bitcoin starts going up, Ethereum will pass this. Unless Bitcoin sucks all the momentum and volume and from Ethereum, but I'm not expecting it. I do think that we'll break past this. Of course, the ETH chart is really bad. Just look at this thing, really ugly. Let me see, on the 4 hours we got the bullish. You're actually overextended. Daily? It's not good. This is not really good against BTC, but against USD it's maybe we'll pass that resistance and we turn the resistance into support, and then we start going up. But I wouldn't long here. Actually, this is a zone too short, not too long. These zones right here, they are zones too short when we are going above. We are getting near it. But if you are getting near it from above, it's a good zone too long. So yeah, right now this is probably resistance. It's not looking the best, but let's see. Yeah. Another coin that I've been looking at is the RLB, which has a burn mechanism, and it's actually really sturdy, and it's a coin that I've been buying more. I bought some down here and down here. I do think that if we touch down here again, I will buy more, because this is a really good zone to buy. Got bullish RSI. Every time we touch this trend line, it jumps above, and it has a burn mechanism, which means that, and with steady profits, it means that every time the price go lower, we buy and burn more coins. The same amount of dollars, but more coins, which makes the price long term, it should go up. And the market cap against versus the burn rate is actually really low. Market cap should be higher in my opinion, because if we actually try to measure the P ratio, the price earnings ratio, using the burn, it's like really low, less than 10. So yeah, this is a coin that I'm expecting to go up long term. Woo, I still have it. Wait, not this one. The Binance one. Okay. I still have it. It has a burn mechanism too, but the P ratio is not really good. It's like 25, 20, 30, 25, which is not really good. Maybe long term, but right now it's not really good. It's not undervalued. P ratios of like 5, 10, that's undervalued. P ratios of 25, it's normal, more overpriced. And yeah, in the stock market we got P ratios of like 30, 40, which is really high. The UNL, which is like the ETF of the world, which is normally what I buy, because I don't want to invest only in America, even though America has a better track record, but I'm European, so yeah, I need to invest also in the zone that I live in. Can't be alpha profit, guys. Yeah, this is a good zone to... I spoke about these zones in the previous video. This is a good zone to long, and we are bouncing. If you go under it, this is the next best zone to long, and this is a really good zone to long. And if we ever come in this right here, this zone right here, yeah, just go long, guys. Just go long, because this channel that that you guys are seeing has been going on since 2011. Just look at this channel. So yeah, I'm expecting right now, the things that I'm thinking about buying are RLB, first UNL, of course, because I need to have a higher portfolio in the stock market. RLB, I also like this. I think it's undervalued, and I'm thinking about start investing in other Lofty AI, but it's on Algorand, and I've never used Algorand. I prefer to use Ethereum. But yeah, maybe, because they do have some really good houses here. for example, 15 rental yield, and it's been steady for years now because we can actually see the previous years. If we come down here and view all documents, and we got one of those documents shows all the previous months rental income, but the way that they do this is kind of weird because normally the owners have like a debt to pay, a loan balance of 791k, and they get more tokens as they pay the loan, and we only get a part of the property, and normally the projected rental yield goes down with it because they pay the loan and they get more. It's weird. Or another one, Realty has a long track record. I also want to invest in Realty, some houses, just to get like a portfolio of rental income, just to get the ball rolling. So yeah, now on Twitter, some things that I can say. Yeah, first of all, the SEC dropped the appeal against Ripple. Bullish for Ripple. I don't really like Ripple, but fine. I don't want to use Ripple, but yeah, good for them. This is actually from yesterday, but I think we already went past it, and this is really bullish. By the way, I didn't show you guys this triangle right here, but this is really bullish because if we indeed go past the triangle, if we indeed go, yeah, this triangle right here, if you go past it, test it, retest it, and then go up, it's really bullish. Hopefully it will happen. Other news, yeah, I think I didn't show you guys this chart right here. I am expecting something like this. Maybe it will happen, which is like late to 2025 or early 2026, maybe we will peak around 200k. Not sure, but it can happen. November is the time to look for exits. Actually, right now it's the time to look for exits. But if the cycles are extending, maybe we'll get a peak later in December, and instead of 150k, it's 200k. Not sure if it will happen, but maybe. We need to pay attention to this. This is a power law. And yeah, that's basically it for today. That's basically it. This is also good to see from time to time. See, the tops are later. This is the top, this is the top, this is the top. We are still not even near this top. Not near this top, or not near this top. So I am expecting it to start going up and then down. Somewhere near the 200k, between 150 and 200k. So yeah guys, see you in the next video. It's all for today. I just wanted to show you guys that the market is looking better, at least short term. Hopefully we'll keep this momentum, and we can actually do this and come up here. So yeah, also by the way, this low, what I put here, it's basically a reflection of this. It's this converted to 2 year, and this April this date that I put here is basically the same as the M2 supply shifted 25 days that I spoke in the last video. So yeah, we'll probably in a few weeks start going up. Maybe we'll go sideways a little, but then go up. Hopefully. Yeah, it's all.